Hey there, Instagram enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to collaborate with someone on a reel in Instagram. If you're looking to create captivating and collaborative reels with your friends or colleagues, you're in the right place. So, let's dive into our full guide on how to collaborate with someone on a reel in Instagram. Step 1. Open Instagram. Start by opening the Instagram app on your device. Ensure that you're logged into your account. Step 2. Tap on the plus icon to add a reel. Located at the bottom center of the app, you'll find a plus icon. Tap on it to start creating a new reel. Step 3. Record or select a reel and tap on Next. You can either record a new reel using the camera or select an existing one from your device's gallery. Once you're satisfied, tap on Next to proceed. Step 4. Tap on Tag People. On the editing screen, you'll find various options. Tap on Tag People to initiate the collaboration process. Step 5. Tap on Invite Collaborator. Within the Tag People screen, you'll find the option to Invite Collaborator. Tap on it to invite someone to collaborate on your reel. Step 6. Search for your collaborator's name or username, select them, and tap on Invite. Use the search bar to find your collaborator on Instagram. Once you've found them, select their profile and tap on Invite to send them a collaboration request. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to collaborate with someone on a reel in Instagram. Together, you can create amazing and engaging content that will captivate your audience. Remember, collaboration opens up endless possibilities for creativity and connection. Don't hesitate to invite your friends, colleagues, or influencers to collaborate on your Instagram reels. Thank you for watching today's video on how to collaborate with someone on a reel in Instagram. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Stay tuned for more exciting content and happy collaborating on Instagram.